Listen, if your toddler's hair stays dry, no matter what you do, I've got you. This layering method has been a game changer for us. I moisturize my 2 year old's hair once a week and it actually stays soft and moisturized until wash day. No midweek dryness, no stress. Let me show you exactly how I do it. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm taking you through our weekly moisturizing routine using a simple layering method that keeps my little ones curls, juicy and moisturized all week long. If that sounds like something you need, stick around. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I like to work in sections because it just makes the process easier and ensures every strand gets the love it deserves. So first I go in with my favorite leave-in conditioner by Oyin Handmade. This stuff is amazing. But anyway, so I work that into her hair really well, making sure each section is fully coated. Hey mamas, is your little one's hair always dry no matter what you do or what you use? Trust me, I know how frustrating that could be. I'm Novella and I want to invite you to my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. In just 5 days, I'm going to teach you how to stop the dryness and transform your little one's hair with simple steps that's going to hold on to moisture for days. During this challenge, you'll learn how to identify your little one's hair type because honestly, if you don't know what you're working with, how are you supposed to care for it? I'm also going to teach you how to select the right types of products to moisturize your little one's hair by function and by age. I'm also going to teach you how to understand key ingredients by function so that you can make better choices when choosing your little one's products. I'm also going to help you to build the best moisture routine for your little one and also how to track progress so that you can have consistent results. You'll get 5 live sessions with me where you can ask me questions directly, and also access to a private Telegram group chat where you can connect with other mamas and just get that support throughout this 5-day challenge. You'll never feel alone in this challenge. I'll even show you a demo of how to properly moisturize your little one's hair for moisture retention so that you can see exactly what works, what keeps my children and my clients' hair moisturized for days. You may be wondering what products are actually going to work to help moisturize your little one's hair. I've got you. I'll give you exclusive product suggestions of my favorite and the best natural hair products for moisture retention. By the end of this challenge, you're going to have everything you need to know to keep your little one's hair soft, conditioned, smooth, and just healthy in general. Let's finally end the battle with dryness together for good. And then next, I go in with Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. Now, don't let the name confuse you. It's just a nice whipped butter kind of gel cream. It gives the extra moisture, smoothness, softness, and it also gives a little bit of a hold without making the hair stiff, which I really like. It really defines the curls or coils. And I also focus on adding a bit more of this butter gel to the end of her hair, and I also add some to the base, so around the base of each section. Now the reason why I do this is because if your little ones are anything like mine, my 2-year-old loves rolling all over the carpet and everywhere he can roll. So I need to make sure that her hair is properly coated, especially at the roots, the base, and of course at the ends because that's the oldest part of her hair, to keep it, retaining moisture. Now to lock in all of that goodness, I'm using the Inasi Hair and Body Butter. This is going to act as a temporary sealant and is really going to keep that moisture locked in for the whole week. I'm not even joking, mamas. It's also going to help to give her hair a nice shine as well without weighing her hair down. So once I'm done adding the layers to my daughter's hair, I then proceed to plaiting her hair loosely. This again is going to help with that moisture retention for the whole week. Mamas, as you can see, these plaits are quite chunky. I haven't used any tools to part her hair, and I did this intentionally. So for those who are going to judge me for her crooked parts, go ahead. And there you have it, mama. Moisturized hair that lasts for the whole week. No reapplying, no fuss. If you've been struggling with dryness with your little one's hair, give this method a try. Let me know in the comments what products you love for your toddler's hair. And I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.